Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Java JDK installed and Java Home set so tools can run. Next, choose Android Studio for GUI workflows or the command line SDK tools for lightweight installs. Pick what fits your workflow. Once chosen, download the correct package for your OS and extract or run the installer immediately. Make sure you have 10 plus GB free and a 64-bit system. This gets the core tooling in place, so you can fetch SDK components in the next step. You now obtain SDK components. Run SDK Manager and request platform tools, specific platforms, Android 31 and build tools, 31. 0. 0 to match your target. Once downloaded, set Android SDK root or Android Home, and append the Platform Tools folder to your path so a DB and Fastboot are available system-wide. If using Android Studio, use the SDK Manager UI to select packages and hit Apply. Make sure to accept all licenses, either via SDK Manager licenses or the Studio prompts, so builds won't fail later. You finish by validating the setup. Run SDK Manager list to see installed packages and a DB version to confirm Platform Tools work. Once done, create an AVD or connect a device to test deployments. Make sure to update SDK components regularly using SDK Manager Update to avoid compatibility issues. If builds fail, check Path and Java Home first, then rerun SDK Manager licenses to ensure acceptance. One key tip: missing path entries are the most common cause of tools not being found. Correcting that usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.